said I'll get stuck. He doesn't know how to drive a BMW. BMWs never get stuck. Oh shit. First thing I said is I'll never get stuck. And I'm stuck, boys. Spin, 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 spin. Shit. Sheesh. Alright guys, so you won't be able to see me obviously, but right now we're going to my dad's crib and we're gonna go fix my lights. As you can see, they're turned off just now. They're getting on like 1, 2, there they go, they come back on. I know it's a little dark and stuff, you can't really see nothing, but right now I'm gonna show you how to change these damn ballasts because you can see how bright they get. First they turn blue because of how low they get. Dang, it's cold. It's like 20 degrees though. I know, leave my light alone. I know. 41 degrees Fahrenheit. There's no way. It feels like it's negative something. So yeah, I already fixed the water pump issue. My water pump is now finally fixed. I fixed that over the weekend, and it took me about 30 minutes. I should have done a video. I guess I just forgot. So yeah, we're gonna swap this out. I've had this problem since I bought this car. I've always had this headlight problem. Never fixed it because I always thought it was a series of problems. First, I thought it was the FRM module. I swapped out the FRM module, got the OEM one. Didn't fix it. Jesus, dude, what the hell was that? But let me see if I can fit back here because I don't think I can. But look, guys, y'all see how? Let's turn on my high beams. Y'all see how we get to the back of our garage? Because our garage is down there, but ooh, oh, dude, that is not good at all. Oh, I don't know what I did. Did I scratch the door? No, please, my lord, please. Nothing. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god, no. They stole my front grill. Today at work, I think. So, but let me go open the basement door.
¿Te va a quedar trabado?
No, I don't think so. Motorcycles, and there's more top. So now I got it in here. My tire is so flat, dude. Holy. But look, someone stole my Kidney grill this morning going to work. So I'm gonna show you the old ones. These are the new ones I bought. These are real cheap. These are like $100 or 140, something like that. These are like $100. But if I open them, you will see the huge difference. Not really sure why they're so much smaller, but different contact points. This is much bigger. So what we're going to remove is these. 1, 2. We're gonna have to remove the ones that are bolted behind here. Take off these as well. All these gotta go, so I can remove the whole bumper because I gotta do both sides. And the ballast, if y'all see right here, here's the old shit. It's a T30. I need a like an extension slash adapter thing. whole bunch of curb rash. These wheels are extremely old. I need to get some new ones. Do y'all see that? Look at the lip. Look at the freaking lip. Oh my god, they're so bad. Yeah, I'm gonna swap those out this weekend. Okay, so now I need the light here. So here you'll see the rest.
Come on, son.
Okay, so they're in. One of them. I'm nervous. I'm very extremely nervous actually. The answer not because I don't got the keys. So why is it not? Why is it flickering? That's not good. So guys, as you can see, these, put the old ones back on. These are the fucking new ones. These things are trash. These do not work at all. And as you can see, they're going crazy, but I'm going to turn them off. I'm not sure if it's the ballast anymore, to be honest. I'm not 100% sure. No, it is, because once I connected the old ones, it blinked in and out, in and out, in and out faster. So it turned on, turned off, turned on. This one stays on for like 30 seconds to a minute, and then it turns off. So I'm gonna just put everything back up. Go return these. See if I can, because I didn't buy OEM. This is not OEM, obviously. Obviously, when you buy a BMW, you try to buy OEM. I thought this is a part you could cheap out on, but now I know not to make this mistake. I saw a guy on YouTube use some real cheap ones. I didn't want to go that cheap, so I bought some of these. So these were like 140 bucks, almost half price of the OEM ones, but I guess these are still too cheap. So I'll return these. I'm gonna buy some new ones. Go order them right now after I leave here. But yeah, guys, I'll update y'all once I put everything right back on. Let's go, get up out of here. Go ahead and take the car out of here. I know, I can see, I know. Alright, let's just leave this here while I go. Close everything up. Smells like Callus downpipe. Come on, get off of me. Get off of me. Jesus. Alright, we're out. I'm gonna buy those right now, so let's go. He said I'll get stuck here. He doesn't know how to drive a BMW. BMWs never get stuck. Oh shit. First thing I said is I'll never get stuck. And I'm stuck, boys. Don't ever. There it goes, we're out. Let's go. I got stuck. I'm not gonna lie, that shit is scary as hell. Oh my god. I was gonna throw hella mud. Oh, I can hear the mud. Oh no. God, I can only imagine how dirty it is right now, dude. But yeah, guys, that was a huge fail. Dude, I mean, I kind of already knew that something was not gonna go right. Spin. You need to get the tires clean, guys. Sorry. Yeah, guys, fail. I was still gonna post this video. I need to post something. I haven't posted something. I obviously posted that video, the video that y'all see previously a while back, but that's too long. I need to be more consistent on my videos. Let's do one more pull with the windows down before I close off. And I need to go buy a bigger SD card of mine. This car, I need new tires. All four need new tires. They're completely. I'm gonna do another little pull. What do I hear? Mini Cooper. Yellow cats, get out the way. Because in the morning it is too loud. But yeah, guys, we're here. I'll see you in a bit.